Welcome to Something Shae Said, where I am Shae and this is something I said. In this video, we're starting with new beginnings. This will be another series, but it will be a cheap hair hack series. In this series, we will be doing and using products that are $10 or less. So, in this video, the products that we will be using are Color Oops, baking soda, dish detergent, and yeah. I use all of those products to strip some red dye out of this wig. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, red dye. Let me do that again, because that was cute. Stay tuned. Like, comment, and subscribe. Tell your mom, your daddy, your sister, your brother, your uncle, your cousin to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll be back. Back at it again with Color Oops. Okay, so in this video, I want to try to strip this red wig with Color Oops. And I know you probably like, why she keep using this stank stuff. I just wanted to see if it worked real good. I think it will though. But I'm not doing all the talking. So stay tuned. And I hope you enjoy. what it is looking like right now. So because there are still some pieces that are a little red, I'm going to be using the baking soda, shampoo, and hot water method to kind of strip the little extra red that's there. I've already done it once, but I'm gonna do it one more time to get the rest of it out. So I added in some baking soda. I didn't put a certain amount, but I added in baking soda. I added in some shampoo. I know they say you're supposed to use a clarifying shampoo, but I feel like Shimmer Lights works just as good. And I added in some detergent, dish detergent, I'll say. So I'm just gonna mix this together. So this is where we are. That is it for this video, you guys. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe to your mommy, daddy, sister, brother, your cousin, your uncle, your auntie. Like, comment, subscribe, and hit that bell because it's up now. But stay tuned and I'll be back.